So, if you're looking for a way to set up your SkyMax pod here, well, there are a few things that you may need to do. So, first things first is you may want to check your Sky Broadband Hub. So, before doing anything with the pod, make sure your Sky Broadband Hub is up and running. Now, the hub needs to be switched on, properly connected to the internet, and showing normal status lights. Now, if the hub isn't working correctly, the pod won't be able to connect at all. Now, next is you want to take the Sky Max Pod out of its box and remove any packaging or protective covers. Now, unlike some Wi-Fi extenders, the pod doesn't need extra wires or complicated connections. Now, it's designed to plug straight into your wall outlet or wall socket here, making setup quick and simple. So, for the very first step here, it's important to place a pod in a socket that's close to your Sky Hub. Now, this ensures the pod can easily find and pair with your hub before you move it to another part of your home. Think of it like teaching the pod where home base is before it starts extending your signal. Now, once plugged in, the pod will automatically start looking for your hub. You'll notice the light on the pod flashing during this process. It may take a few minutes or a minute or two here, so don't unplug it. When the light changes from flashing to solid, that's your signal that the pod has successfully paired with the hub. Now, after it has paired, unplug the pod, take it to the area of your home where Wi-Fi usually feels weak, and the best spot is usually about like halfway between your hub and the problem area. This way, it can pick up a strong enough signal from the hub and then push that signal further into low coverage zones. And then you want to plug the pod back into the new location, just like before. The light will flash while it's connecting to the hub. Give it a little time here, and once the light turns steady again, you'll know it's successfully linked in its new position. Now, finally, check the difference here. You can use the Sky Wi-Fi app to measure the strength of your signal in the area, where you place a pod, or simply try streaming a video or browsing the internet here. And if the Wi-Fi feels a bit weak here, try moving the pod to a slightly different position or spot until you find the best coverage. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.